In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reactivate your Uber driver account. So what we want to do is just load up the web browser on our phone, and I've just Google search here for reactivate Uber. Now what we want to do is actually scroll down until you see the article called activation or reactivation request, driving and delivering. So just click on here. And it's going to tell us that if we haven't been online for 90 days, your account could automatically be suspended. And what we want to do actually is just scroll all the way down here. Is your account not active? We can type yes. And why your account may not be active. Here, I'll just type that I have not logged in 90 days. Just as an example, if you have another reason for why your account will be inactive or is inactive, then you will put that. But basically make sure that you have logged in with your correct account here. You can see it in the top right. And after that, we'll just click on submit, and this is going to get in touch with Uber support, and they'll help you reactivate your account. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.